Hi, Rochelle with Godiva's Secret Wigs. Today I'm going to show you 3 medium length, low density wigs. Low density means very light, very airy, very open, and you might say thin wigs. The first wig is Sabrina in Copper Glaze. She's so light, little A-frame wig, trendy, so cute. Our second wig, medium length, very low density, is Alana in the color Frosted Taupe. See how easy? And our third low density wig, a favorite. And you know, most of our clients own 2 to 20 and 30 and 40 and more of our wigs, because it's fun to wake up and think, who do you want to be today? This wig is called Hope in Creamy Toffee-R. R means roots. So all of these wigs and all of our wig styles options for you are all high quality synthetic, washable with our shampoo, conditioner, and hairspray for high quality synthetic wigs. And they dry the way you bought them. What could be better? They all come in beautiful blondes, browns, reds, and grays. You can be whoever you want to be every day.